I tend to go into fawn in extreme situations when I get really, really scared. That's a bit different. I then feel like someone is pouring ice cold water into my veins. It goes from here and it goes out in my arms, fingertips, they're tingling, think with adrenaline. But I get totally blocked with fear. And the only way to get out of that is to please the other person. To say, okay, if the person is really angry, find a way to calm him or her down. I had that since I was very little, this pattern. Or, rage is usually what's pushed the fawn button. And when I'm aware of that, which I am now these days, I focus not to say anything. And try to just own what's going on, instead of trying to escape from it through words. And I am standing there and actually feel the fear instead of chasing it away. And that is a way of yanking out of the condition.